Tricky hook serve in table tennis. The hook serve is a very good serve in table tennis. It is used frequently for backspin and topspin serve. It is hard to read the serve because of the punch action. Today, let's learn the tricky hook serve in table tennis. Using the rotation of the body, you can make a lot of spin with the hook serve. The hook serve is a tricky serve, deceptive serve. With a slight variation of the racket angle, you can change the spin of the serve. On the left is the topspin serve, and on the right is the backspin serve. The direction of the racket will decide the quantity of the spin. To create the hook serve with topspin, you should close the racket angle at the moment of contact. To create the hook serve with backspin, you should open the racket angle. Do the same follow through to make it harder to read the spin.